Can you pronounce these words properly? It's not vehicle, it's vehicle. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. It's not schedule, it's schedule. It's not library, it's library. It's not subtle, it's subtle. It's not restaurant, it's restaurant. It's not woman, it's women. It's not fuel, it's fuel. It's not natural, it's natural. It's not castle, it's castle. Thanks for watching and contact for enroll.